Good afternoon, welcome to this little video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. As you can see here, we have an Audi A1. It's a 1 litre TFSI Sport. It's a hatchback, it's a Euro 6 stop-start ULEZ compliance. Obviously 5-door in silver, 59,000 miles, 2 owners from new, and it's priced at £9,995 on a 2016 66 plate, obviously registered the latter half after September 2016. So 2 owners, excellent service history, 2 keys, 2 lady owners. Last owners had it for just over 2 years. So the first owner had it for 4 years or 5 years or 6 years even. Great service history. Alloy wheels, lovely condition. This will have it's a sport, so it'll have the half leather sports seats. We'll have Bluetooth, DAB radio, BT music player for your music, multifunction steering wheel, tyre pressure monitoring. Yeah, sport seats, they're lovely. I like the Audi seats. Got the little bits of part leather in them. 5-door, always good. 3 doors, difficult to get in and out of, aren't they? Okay, so parcel shelf in there, boots nice and clean. Quite a big boot for a little car, these on the A1. Paintwork, very nice. Wheels and tyres in great condition. Looks like it's been well looked after, this one. So 1666 1 litre TFSI Sport, Sportback, 5-door, front and rear electric windows, electric mirrors, 2 keys, 2 lady owners, multifunction steering wheel. This car has covered 59,500 miles. Has DAB, Bluetooth and BT music player, 5-speed manual, Euro 6 ULEZ compliant. Fuel consumption combined on these is well into the 60, nearly 70 miles per gallon. You know, free tax, cheap insurance, and a great car to drive, I must admit. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other cars in stock, or please visit Barclay Motor Company on our Facebook or Instagram accounts. If you do, please follow us. Now, this video will be hosted along with 2,000 other videos we've produced over the years on our YouTube channel, which is Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over to YouTube and subscribe, you will be the first person to get a little notification each time we upload a fresh car onto our stock profile. You'll be the first to know when we buy a car, basically. Right, thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.